How to use Bulk Create to create name tags. First, open up Adobe Express in your browser. Hit the plus symbol in the top left to start a new project. Select Marketing and then Business Card as the workspace size. Once your workspace is ready, go ahead and rename your project. Just type in the box next to File in the top left. Select the template search box and type in name tag. Choose a template you'd like to use. When prompted, select Add as Pages rather than Start New File. When your template pops up, select the background and press Ctrl+C to copy it. Use the Page Navigator in the top right to navigate between pages. Select your blank first page and press Ctrl+V to paste in the background. Do the same copy-paste trick for any text or elements you want to duplicate. Tweak the text and colours until you're happy with how it looks. Go back using the Page Navigator and delete the template page you started with. Now you can use the Bulk Create tool. Select Bulk Create from the top menu. To use this tool, you need to import data from a special type of spreadsheet as a CSV file. Use Excel or Google Sheets to create the file. Your table might include things like email addresses and login details. In Excel, select File and save a copy. Rename your file and select CSV as the file type. Back in Adobe Express, select the drag and drop box and browse to import your CSV file. Select the text field you want to swap out with info from your spreadsheet. Each row in your CSV will create a new page. Here you can see each student gets their own page with their name. Select Create Pages, then select Download in the top right to save your name tags. Your file might open in your browser or Adobe Acrobat. Select Print and then, if hidden, go into More Settings or Advanced Settings and choose 6 or 9 in the Page Size option to print multiple pages as name tag size cards. Print them out on paper and cut them up. And there you have it, your name tags are ready to go.